You can see a nice painting canvas here. It's going to be a beautiful scenery. It's a wooden canvas, and we're going to draw a nice tree here. You can see I'm putting some brush strokes on the top. Let's take little bit green color, making the drawing variations. All right, so you can see the color variations is prominent. Okay, some colors are outliers on the other segments. So it means that you can use any place or any surface for your painting purposes. So this is a broken piece of wood, and I'm using this one for my painting canvas. Now I'm going to put the straight lines here for the the main trunk of the trees. This is the main branches, and two side branches coming from the side. Okay, another one is going to be like this and coming up from here, so you can see the details. All right, tree is down. Now let's put the ground with lots of red color, putting the grasses and drawing the brush strokes. You can see, you can do like me. Okay, so all the red colors, it defines lots of grasses at the bottom. You can see a few longer strokes. Okay, and just we're putting a fence around the trees. Okay, so it's going to be a very simple drawing. Now we're going to draw one or two birds which is flying. So if it fly in a direction, then you can put the direction like the wings, like this one, and put the directions. Okay, so the wings show the directions of the flying birds. And another one is you can draw like this one. So it's just landing here. It looks like a V shape of English alphabet. So it's the bottomward or the downward directions. You can take more color. All right, and put the colors little bit pointy on the last end. Okay, the symbol of the birds, just you can put the tails like this one, and this is the head. All right, so there's the two bird and a tree on the top, you can see here, and it's a nice drawing. Let's, you can put the birds on a stand. Okay, like this one. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.